Hi, my name is Kathleen Buck. I am your math teacher this year, 2021. It's going to be an interesting one. Let's try to stay positive and do the best we can in this remote environment. So this is my part in getting to know each other. So this is my 28th year teaching. Most of those years are at Sandburg. I started out at my alma mater, Mother McAuley High School in the city, and then I did teach in Chicago Public Schools for a few years. I got my master's degree with a gal who used to teach this course, and she passed away, but I have her cat, so that is the only pet that I have, and we have a bearded dragon, but I'm not sure if that counts. I have 4 kids. Madeline is a senior at Xavier University in Cincinnati. She's in nursing. Matthew is 20 years old. He's in the special needs transition program at Lincoln Way. I have a junior in high school who is just got her license and her braces off and all fun things. Michaela, and I've got Max, who is in 5th grade, my fun little 10-year-old caboose. So with that being said, I really feel like I'm sympathizing with you guys on many levels during this remote learning, as a parent, as a teacher, and just kind of being as a student. Really, these past couple weeks, we've sat and learned many things these past couple weeks. So let's stay positive. I love teaching math. I love learning new things. So I think most math people do like to solve and are somewhat confident in things that they don't know and tackling it. And I hope that you can adapt that. If you don't think, you're a math person, that's sort of a myth. I think you can do anything. It's really just about you having that tenacity to stick with it and the confidence. And I hope I can give you that nugget. I like to have fun. I like to laugh. So especially in this remote, if you want to put things in the chat or, turn off your mic here and there, that would be great. I do generally have lots of drinks on my desk. I've got my water, my Monster, my coffee, usually my coffee, my Diet Coke. And it's like sweating by the end of the day. So if we were in person, you might be like, oh my gosh. But just to try to stay perky and active for all of my 1 through 8 classes. So I wish you guys all the best this year, and I hope that, anything I can do to help you out. I've got a couple co-teachers that will try to keep the energy high and stick with it. I got Be Kind behind the wall there. Let's just be kind to one another and stay positive and focused, and all will be well. Okay, can't wait to see your videos.